you. We're the students of Visual Bar. Our team knows us Undercover. And we are making a documentary about the young Pinoy alcoholic. Now, we're trying to socialize with young alcoholics. Magandang tanghali po. Uy! Nais po namin kayo mga kapader tungkol sa mga alcoholic drinks na ginagawa ng mga kabataan ngayon.
So, ano may tutulong namin sa inyo?
Nais po namin kayo makausap kahit saglit lang.
Oo, wala pa problema. Upo muna kayo. Tagay muna kayo.
Opo.
Tagay. Pare, upo dito. Oo, pare. Muna kayo.
Sige, pare.
Pare, tagay muna. Pare, Arnold nga pala. Pare. Pare, Arnold.
Pare, Arnold.
Pare, Arnold nga pala. Pare, Darian. Pare. Arnold.
Nice to meet you. Pare, nice to meet you.
Pare.
Pare,
Pare. Tagay muna kayo. Pare, ikaw na pare. Pare. Pare, oh. Sige, sige. So, ano man may tutulong namin sa inyo?
Ito po ay dokumentaryo sa aming school na kailangan po magawa sa madaling panahon. Kung mapapansin po natin ang kanilang inuman, simple labang, may simpleng tugtugan, simpleng inuman, pero sila nagkakaisa dahil sa kanilang magandang pagkasamahan. Yan po ang aming interview mamaya. Abangan nyo na lang po.
Sa magbabalik na.
Magbabalik na! MP Life. Now, we will try to know why young Pinoys are being addicted in drinking liquors. We will have an interview with our friend to know the reason why he is being addicted in drinking. Good afternoon, sir. We are from BH Malvar, and we will try to know the reason why you are so addicted in drinking.
Hindi ko masyado ma-explain kung bakit ganito pag nakikita ko ang alak eh. Lalo na parang gusto kong inumin. Pag magkakain ka ng barkada, diretso ka agad sa inuman. Yung ganun.
Okay, sir. And what's the benefit that you get when you drink?
Masaya ako pag nakakainom, lalo na pag kulitan at yabangan ng barkada. Nakakawala ng problema pag nagkakainuman kami.
Sometimes when you drink too much, do you feel any illness in your body?
Minsan, sobrang sakit ng ulo ko, tiyan. Lalo na, pag naramdam ko hangover, pero di ko na rin iniinda.
Okay, sir. Is there any effect in your mind when you are drunk?
Minsan, nararamdaman ko na parang ako ang hari, ako yung pinakamatapang, tapos kamakailan lang, sobrang kalasingan ko, nagdarib ako ng motor. Tapos ayun, nagsemplang. Kaya ito, puro sugat ng katawan ko.
So sir, what's your mind now? Now you have an accident, do you still continue drinking?
Oo, pero di na katulad ng dati. Sobrang addict. Medyo magbabawas na ako ngayon.
Okay, sir. That's all. And thank you for all cooperation to us. Thank you.
Magandang hapon po. Dito po kami ngayon sa isang bahay ng isang nursing student upang hinggan namin ang opinion tungkol sa alcoholism.
Good day, ma'am. As part of medical team, for you, what is alcoholism?
Alcoholism is the compulsive and uncontrolled use of alcohol. And it is the increased tolerance and physical dependence on alcohol.
Next question, ma'am. Who were the usually victims of alcoholism?
As we observe nowadays, even the youth are now exposed to alcoholism.
Okay, ma'am. What are the reasons behind the alcohol addiction?
The reason for alcoholism is not yet unknown, but for some psychologists, people who abuse alcohol are those who have serious problems. They used to drink because to forget problems, they have low self-esteem and peer pressure, and who have stressful life.
What are the...
There are so many effects of alcohol, especially in the health of a person. Excessive alcohol intake is the main risk factor for many diseases, such as hypertension, which leads to cerebrovascular disease or stroke. Aside from that, excessive alcohol intake is the cause of liver damage, which is cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is the poor function of the liver.
What are the effects of alcohol?
Okay, ma'am. What are your advice to youth who were early engaged to alcohol?
We advise the parents to guide their children, especially the teenagers. There must be someone who would counsel or support a teenager in times of her difficulty. And for the teenager, he or she should define her friends.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, anytime.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
We are Team Undercover. Thank you for watching. Good day to all of you. We are the students of BSU Malbar and our team is